Cerritos, Whittier, Norwalk. When something goes wrong at home, you need help fast. Power Pro Plumbing, Heating, and Air handles emergency leaks, stubborn drains, and water heater replacements without the runaround. Smell gas or hear a hiss? Get it checked right away and get back to safe. And when the heat quits or the air conditioner won't cool, we repair and install HVAC systems with clean, careful work. For quick answers and next steps, call for info.